Hi, my friends. Today we're going to be discussing lesson 14.6, math practices and problem solving. Today our learning target is I can reason about data in bar graphs and picture graphs to write and solve problems. And there are some thinking habits I want you to think about. What do symbols mean? And how are the numbers in the problem related? So right here it says, the bar graph shows the number of stamps each student has collected. And here is the stamp collections. The students' names are over here, and the number of stamps are all at the bottom. It says write and solve a problem about the data in the bar graph. Well, we already know about bar graphs in our past lessons, what we have already done. So now they want you to make your own problem. It says write and solve a problem about the data in the bar graph. So I want you guys to think of a problem and write it in your notebooks. Now, before you do that, let's take a look at something else. It says, how can I use reasoning to write and solve a word problem? Well, let's see. It says I can look at the bars to see how many stamps each student has, which is right over here, the number of stamps, okay? Then it says I can write a problem to compare the number of stamps two students have. So we're going to use two students and compare that number. Now, I want you all to make your own problem up, but I'm also going to do a problem with you. So my problem is how many more stamps does Laura have than Gail? So I know it shows you right here exactly what we have to do, but let's take a look at this. We need to find how many Laura has first. So we're going to go over here to the students. It says Laura, and I'm looking at this graph. It says she has 25, okay? Now we're going to take a look at Gail. Gail has 15. So our problem is asking us how many more stamps does Laura have than Gail? So when our problem is asking us this, we know that we're going to subtract. Yes, my friends. So I'm going to take those two numbers, 25 minus 15 equals 10. 10 more stamps. That is our problem and our answer. Now you guys can make up your own problem using these students and the number of stamps. Come up with your own subtraction problem and send it to us. Now we're going to watch a short video talking about reasoning and how to write and solve a problem on your own in more detail. Here you go, my friends.
Remember this bar graph? It's from the last lesson, and it provides data on the favorite season in my class. I can use my reasoning skills with the data to create and solve problems. Here's a problem for you. How many more people voted for fall than voted for summer? Let's find out. Let's reason about the data on the bar graph. Fall got 9 votes, and summer got 2 votes. If we are comparing to find how many more, that means we need to write a subtraction equation. So we have 9 votes for the fall minus 2 votes for the summer. That equals 7. 7 more people voted for fall than voted for summer. Graphs are so cool. They have so much data we can reason about. What problem would you write about this graph?